asleep here, asleep for a good. Yo, it's Alkaline, representing for the youngest and the baddest. 2020, you know what thing there, you know? Me again. A matter of fuck. Jam clear, feel me, I've called the phone. That's when the position call me, no? True love go on, na 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 na. Ah na 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 na. First love go on, na 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 na. Ah na 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 na. True love go on, na 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 na. Ah na na na. First love go on, na 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 na. It's Alkaline. Huh? Say you and me, baby. Check say me get over you up to know me not ready. Wish could do time. The time when you were mine. Wish me could have set me clock the couple years behind. Never with the talk any day. You please me in every way. No, we don't even talk me never. No, see you with a say. Forever me love you me same. Me love you same way. And me I gonna love you when it hear pa me head clear. What? It's Alkaline. The American Smooth Studios Cosmo. You know. Don't know anything going on. Check it out. 2020 on YouTube channel, you know. Alkaline. Youngest and the baddest. What?